she's ever seen and take back the golden Lupo statue.
Super incredible possum plan! But we don't have a bigger, shinier statue.
We will, and you'll see when we fly out to the desert in the Mighty Jet.
Okay, Ryder, but how will the ladybird find out about the giant statue?
That's where Tuck comes in. Can you sneak past those guardians and through the keyhole in the door?
Mighty and small, I'll give it my all!
Great! Now here's the rest of the plan.